Well, Saturday morning was made up of looking at the forks, and one thing I noticed about this particular fork, well, compared to this, is that the nut is missing off it. So somebody just sealed this bad boy up and trying to figure out how to get the oil out. So what I did was I undid the 6mm bolt out of here and let the oil out from there. But somebody gunted this before me. So the seal itself was an absolute bastard to get out. I didn't realise how hard it was to get out. Nearly messed up the fork trying to get that out. Anyway, new seal is in. Actually, do you know what that turned out to be good? This bearing puller actually turns out to be a great pusher as well. If you get the right size, you just knock it back into place. It was really good. It's very useful. Yeah, I've kind of feeling I've done enough this morning. It took me a while to get that out and cleaned out, and I've cleaned the outside of it, so I've enough done for this morning. I'll probably tackle the other tomorrow or maybe late afternoon. But yeah, and you know, you leave these things in to get done in the shop and you think the guys can do it in a couple of minutes, but I mean, maybe they know more about how to do it than me, and I'm sure they do, but I tell you, that was a bastard to get out. I didn't realise there was a steel ring in it. I literally thought it was just a hard rubber, but there's actually a metal piece that runs on the inside of it that's just nearly impossible to get out. It's 40 years in there, so I'm not surprised. Anyway, fork number 1 done. Hope that Jesus it doesn't leak. Trying to decide what to do with these. I think I'm going to end up getting these sprayed. I'm sure they'll come up nice with polished and that, but I'm trying not to put too much chrome on the bike. I know that sounds stupid, but anyway, my chance. See you.